of reality and magic the third dimension as vibrational energy. Everything is energy. In modern physics, everything in the universe, matter, light, even space and time, is fundamentally energy. Quantum mechanics tells us that particles are also waves, vibrating at specific frequencies. Manipulating vibrations. If everything is energy, then altering the frequency or pattern of these vibrations could change the physical world. This is the theoretical basis for magic, as the manipulation of energy through focus and will. The fifth dimension and the soul. The soul as higher dimensional energy. If the soul exists in the fifth dimension or beyond, it might be composed of a more refined, higher frequency energy that transcends the limitations of the third dimension. Access to higher knowledge. The soul, being connected to higher dimensions, might have access to knowledge, wisdom, and abilities that are beyond the reach of the 3D physical mind. This could include the ability to perceive and manipulate the vibrational fabric of the third dimension. Channeling the soul's power consciousness as the bridge. Consciousness could be the bridge between the third dimension and the higher dimensions. By focusing and aligning our consciousness with the soul, we might be able to tap into its higher dimensional knowledge and abilities. Focus and will. Just as a magician manipulates energy through focus and will, channeling the soul's power would require intense mental discipline, clarity of intention, and a deep connection to the higher self. How this might work in practice. Meditation and visualization. Practices like meditation, visualization, and mindfulness could help us align our 3D consciousness with the higher dimensional soul. By quieting the mind and focusing on specific intentions, we might be able to influence the vibrational energies of the third dimension. Energy work. Techniques like Reiki, Qigong, or other forms of energy healing could be seen as ways of channeling higher dimensional energy to affect the 3D physical body and environment. Manifestation. The law of attraction and similar principles suggest that by aligning our thoughts and emotions with our desires, we can manifest changes in the physical world. This could be interpreted as channeling the soul's higher dimensional knowledge to influence 3D vibrations. Number 5, theoretical examples. Healing. By channeling higher dimensional energy, a person might be able to accelerate the body's natural healing processes or even repair physical damage at the vibrational level. Telepathy or psychic abilities. Accessing the fifth dimension might allow for communication or perception beyond the limits of the 3D physical senses. Manipulating matter. In theory, someone with a strong connection to their higher dimensional soul might be able to alter the vibrational state of physical matter, effectively bending reality. 6. Challenges and limitations. Mastery requires practice. Channeling higher dimensional energy and manipulating 3D vibrations would likely require years of practice, discipline, and self-mastery. Philosophical implications. The nature of reality. If we can manipulate the third dimension through higher dimensional knowledge, it suggests that reality is far more malleable than we typically assume. The power of consciousness. This perspective elevates consciousness to a central role in shaping reality, aligning with ideas in quantum physics and spirituality. The unity of all things. If everything is energy and the soul is connected to higher dimensions, it implies a deep interconnectedness between all beings and the universe itself. Final thoughts. The idea that we could channel our fifth dimensional soul to acquire the knowledge and ability to manipulate the vibrational energies of the third dimension is both exciting and profound. It bridges science, spirituality, and the mystical, suggesting that the boundaries between the physical and the metaphysical are far more fluid than we often realize.